In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailerlite step by step in 2025. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and head to the main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Sites. From there, switch to the Landing Pages tab. This is where you'll manage existing pages and create new ones. Next, click New Site or Create New Landing Page, depending on what appears in your account. Mailerlite will then ask you to give your landing page an internal name. This is mainly for your own organization, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later. After that, click Save and Continue. Now you'll choose the subscriber group where new signups from this landing page should be added. This is an important step because it keeps your leads organized and makes it easier to send the right emails to the right people. Once you've selected the correct group, click Continue. At this stage, Mailerlite lets you decide how you want to build the page. You can build with AI, start from scratch, or choose from one of their pre-designed templates. If you want something quick, a template can save time. If you want full control, starting from scratch may be the better option. Once the editor opens, begin customizing your landing page using the drag and drop builder. You can add and edit headings, text, images, buttons, sign-up forms, videos, testimonials, and other content blocks. Take your time here and make sure the content is clear, visually clean, and focused on the main goal of the page. Be sure to add a sign-up form so visitors can submit their information, such as their name and email address. Also double-check that the form is connected to the correct subscriber group, so every new lead is captured properly. After that, customize the overall design. Adjust your fonts, colors, spacing, backgrounds, and any other visual settings to match your brand or campaign style. It's also a good idea to preview the page on different screen sizes so it looks great on desktop and mobile. Next, open the page settings and configure the essentials, including the page URL or domain, favicon, SEO settings, social sharing settings, and analytics or custom code if you need them. Before publishing, preview and test everything carefully. Click all buttons and links and submit the sign-up form using a test email to confirm the subscriber goes into the right group. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish, then choose a Mailerlite domain or connect